In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group call on Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in and get you connected with your team efficiently. First, start by opening the Microsoft Teams application on your Windows computer or by accessing it through your web browser. It's essential to have the app or site up and running to initiate a group call. Once you're on the main dashboard of Microsoft Teams, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Meet Now button. Now, this button is crucial for starting your call, but before you click it, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow next to it. Go ahead and click that arrow to expand the options available to you. Among these choices, find and select the Audio Call option. This option will initiate a voice-only meeting session, which is perfect if you're looking to keep things simple and focused on conversation without video distractions. Next, it's time to add participants to your call. You will notice a search bar where you can type in the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite. As you start typing, Teams will suggest matching contacts from your organization. Simply click on the suggested contacts to easily add each person to your group call list. Now that you have your participants lined up, let's ensure the quality of your call is optimal. At the bottom of the window, check your microphone and speaker settings. Make sure that your microphone is set up correctly so that everyone can hear you clearly, and adjust your speaker settings for the best audio experience. This step is crucial, as clear communication is key to a successful group call. With everything set and ready to go, you're now prepared to initiate the call. Click the Call button, and this will notify your selected participants that they are invited to join the group conversation. Your call will start as soon as they accept the invitation. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to group call on Microsoft Teams. Now you can connect effortlessly with your colleagues, friends, or any group you'd like to have a conversation with. Remember, practicing these steps a couple of times will help you become more comfortable with the process, and soon it'll be second nature. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips like this one. Happy calling!